Apart from protective functions that gates and doors perform in residential, commercial, and religious buildings, it also beautifies and adds aesthetic value to the building. Gates and doors do not just perform security duties, they can decorate the building to make it more attractive. And are you working on a building project and need ideas or different innovations on gates and doors? Then you need to check out our top 10 picks of incredible gates and doors. Number 10. Bifold Swing Gate. Bifold gates can allow 2 times the opening of breadth into half the space. For instance, if you had 8 meters of opening but just 2 meters of an area, opening the standard double gate will be impossible. However, the use of the Bifold gate kit, you can open your 8 meters with just 2 meters. Should you have lesser space for the opening of your gate, then the solution might just be the Bifold Swing Gate. It is made in Italy and is perfect for opening up to 5 meters, but you will save at least 2 meters while you leave the folding back to less than 2 meters. Now the gate is an automated one and it comes with hardware that turns the gate into a bifold. You also need photocells to utilize the automatic closing function. These photocells offer an added protection level, making sure the gate does not close on vehicles and humans. There is a lot of debate that centers on whether a self-closing gate should have added protection of an electric gate lock. This lock improves security and also offers a protective operating system for the gate. It does work on its own when you decide to open the gate. Number 9. Universal Self-Closing Safety Gate. The universal self-closing gate is made from polyurethane materials. It has a self-closing function. It is an industrial swing gate that is used to avoid falls, and it protects workers from vulnerable openings at the tops of vertical ladders and elevated platforms. Should you want to get a gate for your company or organization, I would strongly advise you to get the universal self-closing safety gate. This gate has met and exceeded many fall protection standards, including the US OSHA 1910.29, the Walking Working Surfaces Standard, EN ISO 14122, and ABS Standard 201 Section 4.8. The gate is very safe and efficient. It has a free cost of maintenance and has a long life cycle, and does not rust when exposed to moisture and air. The gate installation is straightforward and offers fall protection to workers. Number 8. The Kindley Gate. There are several cases of uphill access, which are very difficult and also seem impractical. Currently, there is a solution that is said to be the innovative and wonderfully designed Kindley Gate. This vertical lift Kindley Gate has a straightforward configuration. Therefore, at every analysis in all the cases of uphill entry, it has been confirmed that the application of a balanced vertical lift gate, such as the Kindley Gate, worth recognition is being the only practical, cost-effective, and economical solution. And in addition to any other aesthetic, functional, qualitative value recognized by all end users, builders, architects, technicians, and sector operators. Number 7. Hand fan style gate. If you wish to get your gate something else apart from the usual security and aesthetic value, if you want to have something colorful, then you should go for the hand fan style gate. The hand fan style gate comprises many sectors. For a given hand fan style gate with multicolors, when the lowest sector with a color that says violet is raised, the pin, which may be colored pink, is fixed to the lower sector and moves to the upper adjacent industry to the open position. The gate is closed by the action of gravity. Number 6. Mataroo Curtain Door. Mataroo Associates are designers and architects. They were the brains behind the delightful house with balls that sometimes featured back on the cover of the AR's widespread August issue. Therefore, the authorship of this Heath Robinson-like door did not surprise people. Whether using concrete balls as counterweights for flip-up screens on an aquarium house or creating a door out of a timber railway sleeper section, this sort of ingenuity attracted unanimous support from this year's jury as one of the 4 prize winners. Now, the door forms the main entrance to a showpiece of about 1,800 meter squared building, which was designed for Surat-based diamond merchant Dilip Sanghvi. Featured several equally quirky innovations that include a light-emitting onyx wall that would likely be more acceptable in a nightclub. This more muted component is referred to as the curtain raiser, which the architect himself. Now, this can be presumed as the introduction to the extravagant architectural performance which does lie beyond. The funny thing is that the Gurat Singh Mataroo did not drop down his main event, but only released appetizer for consideration from many. In the real sense, his tactic came through for him as the panel of judges were thrilled with this fantastic work. At about 5.5 meters high and 1.8 meters wide, he made a door that sits in between what Singh Mataroo calls bland concrete walls, may be compared to onyx, and it consists of 40 sections of about 255 millimeter thick solid Burma teak. Every one of these was carved to integrate about 180 pulleys, 90 ball bearings, a wire rope, and also a counterweight hidden within the single pivot, which mysteriously merges to enable the flat plane to open up like a billowing curtain into a sinusoidal curve with one effortless push. Without much talk, this door is one like no other. Number 5. Strong folding door. If you are a shop owner, then you should get yourself a robust folding door. This is because the door is the perfect choice for shops that have curvy shop fronts. The folding door has a crystal clear structure with anti-beating, anti-theft, anti-ultraviolet, and anti-fire features. It is a kind of a door that can maximize a small space. It has an elegant look with more folding doors commonly used in shopping malls and centers. Number 4. Sid-turn sliding gate. The Sid-turn sliding gate is a revolutionary option for the sliding gate system. How do you make a 6mm residential sliding gate fit into a space of 2 meters? The Sidcon company in Australia produced the first turning gate of this kind. The Sid-turn sliding gate is an option for narrow properties where driveway width is limited and have the likelihood of not being usable, or where there are obstacles that hinder the traditional sliding gates. The Sid-turn sliding gate system is made from 2 panels and above. They are fitted with our house custom-made hinges, track, and wheels, which allows the panel to turn down the side of the boundary of the property. Gates can be designed to slide open like our standard automatic sliding gates. They serve as a powerful solution for narrow properties which cannot allow the traditional sliding of gates, and the Sid-turn sliding gate is applicable in areas where the standard gate's retraction will be restricted or hindered by some obstacles, including rocks, water, tanks, gas meters, etc. Number 3. Automatic self-closing gate. If you want to secure your home or business building to another level, you may need this revolutionary gate closing spring. It allows you to automatically close your gate without resulting in any complications of internal mechanics, faulty hydraulic system, electricity, or even human intervention of any sort. All you need to use this kind of gate is the gate itself and the willingness to keep it closed. The product has powder-coated spring and stainless steel fasteners, which does help in severe outdoor weather. It is rust-proof and comes with a warranty of 2 years. It has a fully adjustable closing tension and is very ideal for linking chain gates. It is very reversible as it can swing both in left and right directions. Number 2. Driveway sliding gate. The driveway sliding gate was produced using the zinc alloy steel process and the Akezo Noble powder spraying process. It can serve up to 30 years in some very harsh environments. The gate is anti-corrosive, anti-theft, anti-rust, and antiseptic. It has an elegant appearance, and the production company can customize the appearance into whatever the customer wants. Its installation is effortless, it saves time and energy, and lastly, it is cost effective. Number 1. Gravity self-closing safety gate. The gravity self-closing tech gates are another excellent solution for protecting ladder openings or some other fall hazards. They offer a cost-efficient alternative to plastic or polymer gates with superior safety. The manufacturer, WS Safety, can provide standard sizes in 2-inch increments from 16-inch openings to 36-inch openings, and custom safety gate sizes are available. It has a light design that does not use springs to recoil, but has an angled hinge, which makes the gate close automatically behind the user using the principle of gravity alone. The gates require a minimum level of maintenance, such as greasing the pie. It has no springs that can fatigue or even break after some time. The steel construction is built to last and is available in a powder coat painted finish. Keep your workers safe with a cost-effective alternative to other self-closing safety gate options.